Hello everyone, I am Rakshita. Today I will explain how I developed a 3D interactive game called HitMe using Unity. The project is divided into three main phases: 3D extension, color in challenge, and networking with deployment. I will explain each phase step by step, how it was built, and how the gameplay works. Phase 5: Transition to 3D and rotating cube. Moving Moving from 2D to 3D, in the earlier version, the target was 2D. In the phase, I converted the entire game into 3D environment by adding a 3D cube as the main target. Step 2: Creating the 3D cube. I added a cube from Unity 3D object. The cube now become the object that place must hint. Step 3: Adding color to each faces. Each face of the cube has its own color. This follows the player to identify the correct face based on the color hint in the next phase. Step 4: Implementing cube rotation. I wrote a rotation script that rotates the cube continuously. The direction of the rotation is random so the player cannot predict which phase will be appear. Step 5: Increasing rotation speed. The speed of rotation increases as level go up. The increases the difficulty and makes the gameplay more dynamic. Step 6: Camera setup. The positioned the camera to give the proper 3D view. Basic camera movement or perspective is added to make the gameplay feel more immersive. Phase 6: Color and Challenge. Step 1: Adding a hint box UI. In the phase, created a small hint box. Small box displays the color that the player must match. Step 2: Changing the hint color. I wrote a script to automatically change the hint color every few seconds. That keeps the game challenging because the target color keeps updating. Player interaction hinting the cube. When the player clicks the tap on the cube, the game checks did the hint the face whose color matches the hint color. If yes, they get points. If not, they lose point or the game ends. Step 4: Difficulty increases. The difficulty increases by cube spinning faster, hint color changing more frequently, less reaction time for player. This creates a fast attention based puzzle. Step 5: Optional AR mode. I can also add AR so the cube appears in the real world using the phone camera. This gave the game a VR AR feeling. Phase 7: Networking and deployment. Building an registration and login. I created a simple database system where players can register with username and password. This is done using the server connected to Unity. Step 2: Saving score in database. After every game season, the score is sent to the server and the stored in a MySQL SQLite database. This ensures each player's scores is saved permanently. Step 3: Leaderboard. I implemented a leaderboard where the players can see the top scores. This makes the game more competitive and gives motivation. Step 6: Multiplayer or shared services. Shared server. The server allows multiple players to connect. While full multiplayer is optional, players can at least share scores through the online leaderboard. Step 5: Deployment. Finally, I deployed the game so it can be played remotely. Players simply connect to the server, register, and start playing the HitMe game. Conclusion: To summarize, this project covers 3D game development, UI UX interaction, color matching, gameplay, and networking with database storage. Through this assignment, I learned how to design the complete Unity based game, started from simple graphics and passing online deployment. Thank you.